Hello and welcome back to Berdu.id channel. In today's video, we're continuing our series on creating product bundles on your website. In the first two videos, we covered how to set up your bundles and configure their pricing. This time, we'll focus on polishing the layout of the product bundles. If you haven't already, be sure to watch part 1 and 2. Links are in the description below. Before we get started, please subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. First, head to your Berdu website dashboard. Navigate to Products, then click on Bundle, and choose the bundle you created earlier. Click Edit Bundle, and you'll see 2 products already grouped. Let's add a third item to make the differences clearer. Select a product like a tabletop plant. Ensure it's the only item in its group, and click Save. Next, open your bundle display page, either on your landing page or product page. We're on the landing page for this demo. Here you see the current bundle layout. To remove the Bundle 1, Bundle 2, and Bundle 3 labels so only the product names remain, go back to the Bundle Editor tab. But keep this Bundle Product tab open so you can preview changes. Simply delete the label text for Group 1, then repeat for Groups 2 and 3, and click Save. Return to the bundle page and refresh the page. It now shows only the product names. Now, let's make some of these items optional so customers can decide whether to include them. Back in the Bundle Editor, you'll find an optional setting for each group. Not optional requires the product. Optional, checked, includes it by default, but lets the customer uncheck it. And optional, not checked, leaves it out until the customer checks it. Let's see the difference. For instance, in Group 1, choose Not Optional. For Group 2, select Optional, checked. And for Group 3, pick Optional, not checked. Save your changes, refresh the bundle page. Now you can see that the first product is fixed, the second is selected but removable, and the third is off by default, but you can check it adds the item back in. Next, we'll streamline the product names in the bundle. Still in the bundle editor, use the custom name field to shorten long product titles. For example, change Ergonomic Office Desk to simply Office Desk. Then click Save, refresh the bundle page, and you'll see the new name of the product. You can repeat this for each product until your bundle looks neat and concise. Finally, let's demonstrate adding multiple options to a single bundle group. In the editor, go to the third group and add one more product. Perhaps Mora Mini Plant Dot. Give it a tidy display name, for example, Desk Plants. Set its optional toggle to checked and remove the second bundle group entirely. Rename your groups to Package 1 and Package 2, then click Save. Now if you refresh the bundle page, your customers can mix and match items in Package 2 before adding the bundle to their cart. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to receive more tutorials and follow Berdu's social media accounts. See you!